Don't matter about our voice. Don't matter, does it? Right, we've got to do this. Come. The most violent tarantula in the UK. Are we ready for this?
What, right. Just going to take it off?
Get a brush. Yes.
Do you keep it like that?
No, take it off. Take it off. No, take it off. I'm going to get it in the pot.
Are you sure?
Give me a paintbrush. Well, there's only one way to do it.
You have to tap it out.
If it gets out, it's getting a shovel.
No.
Well, get the lid off. Come on.
Just move it. No. No, from the front. From the front. Yeah, go like that. Just slowly. Stick it in. That's it. Stick it in. That's it. A little bit more. A little bit more. Get ready. Move it over a bit. Alright, yeah.
Take the lid off. Take the lid off, please.
Go on. No, not like that. Not like that. Just go over it.
No.
What, you're just doing it like that?
Yes, watch. No, wait. Listen.
Are you just going to slide it up?
Yes, I've got it. Trust me.
Sure?
Trust me. Wait, look.
Are you sure?
Leave me to do this.
Okay, come on.
Leave me to do this.
Oh, it's flicking hairs.
Yeah, it's flicking hairs, but look. See what I mean? What? Who's your daddy? Yeah, I'm the daddy, aren't I? Look.
See that?
Oh, it's flicked a chunk of hairs off, Lou. Look on its back. That went psycho. Right, there you go. How calm was that?
Look at how big that is. That is spread out as well.
Wait, let's show them all.
Look how big it is. It can't escape, but look how big it is. Look how big it is in my hand. No, that's good. How much hair for.
Is that still on video?
Yeah. No, that won't fit up the Hoover. That'll break the Hoover.
Well, we got her in there. Flicked a few hairs, but
it's good for the.
She's in there, and we're gonna sort out her enclosure now. Right, there you go. What?
It's fine.
No, it's okay with that. Just click that. Right, go on in, have a little rearrange, Lou.
Huh?
I'll get some rough, mate. Heads.
Yeah, I know, yeah. That's calm to most tarantulas.
The time it attacked them top, it just went like this and it went straight in. It went straight in.
Okay guys, so yeah, we just got it out. We are going to be like rearranging its enclosure.
I think they've done it about 40% period. That was actually really good.
Should I just put the stuff in here?
Yeah. Right, have a little rearrangement. She's webbed up, but she hasn't done a good one.
We can try and keep it.
No, she hasn't done a good one. Get everything out. Look. You're going to have to do a better job. Yeah, close. Just do a better job. Just look, all the wood, it's all buried. Oh. Just do a better job so she can make a good burrow.
I'm giving it dirt.
Yeah.
I mean dirt.
Releasing is going to be easy because she's going to want to go back to her house.
Yeah, she'll just run into the house.
Yeah, she's going to want to...
And I can get better videos because then I can go in and it's like, if you don't see it, it's like you're kind of calmer with it.
Yeah.
If you see it, it's like, oh no, I know what it's going to do.
So we'll put the shovel away in case of escapees. This is for the bird-eating tarantulas. And poo. Right, do a good job.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, you can get some stones.
Stones?
Wait, look. Yeah, look.
Huh?
You can get some stones and stuff to decorate it if you want.
Carl, look at its blanket that it made. Make a blanket with it.
That's nice.
The hell? Okay guys, so I'm giving it more dirt at the start, just so it because these type of tarantulas like to burrow. I'm going to try and save most of its stuff, but yeah, I did have this burrow there, that's why I'm using it all, because I couldn't throw just lots of dirt that I'm going to use. Sorry for the dust going everywhere, so yeah. Loading this enclosure. So then we have got this. I've got this nice hide that I was going to use to set up. Hold up a second. Oh, okay, guys. So yeah, I've got a sprayer now, so you can spray the water down a bit. So we're just going to spray it down, mix it, make sure it's nice and moist. Want it nice and damp. There we go, just so it's nice and maybe a bit more. Just so it has a bit of dampness to it. Not too hard, just of a layer, just like that, and then mix it up again. We will clean the sides of the enclosure, don't worry. And then we put the hide in like. Maybe a bit more dirt, just for a little layer. Mix it up again. Maybe a bit more on the top. Okay, so this is starting, nice burrow there, nice and secure. Because it tried burrowing in its last, like you've seen in my videos, and it don't burrow good because it didn't have enough space. So we've decided to do this. just cleaning my, like, the bowl for it. There we go. So, got like the bowl for it. Nice bowl. Then kind of spread it. Let's get some of its stuff back in, shall we? So I was thinking we'd go for like a theme, like up there, a tree branch, like maybe take that out. And then we'll put that there. Like, nice decoration. And once again, we'll spray it down. Okay, hold up. Just need to give it a bit of water in the hide. And there. Okay, so we have a nice enclosure for it. Got the bowl. Got like its hide there, just so it's like it's nice. And yeah, so that'll be the end of this video. Give you a video after it's been, well, you'll be putting it in Welsh video. So yeah, hopefully we can get it in alright. And okay guys, so I'm gonna be putting the tarantula back in.
The most aggressive curly hair tarantula in the UK.
Got it here. Quite big at the minute. So what we're trying to do is go
Right.
for like a.
Who's getting the lid? Someone, you get the lid. You get the lid. I'll open it. You ready? Should we see if she wants to just go straight into her new home? Yeah. I think we should just give her a go. Look. She just likes her food. She's not too bad.
Okay, so I'm gonna try and not block the views for you.
That's alright. I think she's gonna go straight in. Look.
No, I might need a brush.
Okay, well, this is where it gets dangerous because she's also the most venomous in the UK.
Or you could use tongs.
No. We'll just scoot her in. We'll scoot her in like this. Look.
Alright, she's been nice.
She's been really friendly. Look.
She's been kind of friendly at the minute.
Go on, big girl.
She's probably going to flick hairs,
Ready? There she goes. Look.
Go on, put it down.
Look.
There we go.
Look.
Nice.
Oh, look.
Curly
She's
hair.
sticking her head out. Hey. She wants a bit of nature. Ready? Into your new hide. Go on, girl.
And
Go on,
there
girl.
we go.
Wow, look. She loves it. Straight in.
She flew straight into the hide.
Look at
Already
that.
in. Bit of a bald spot, but it's good enough. Just a whole enclosure.
That's brilliant. She's going to love that. Loads of room to bury. Dig holes and... It's lovely.
Okay, so we'll see you back in the next video, and
maybe we're going to upgrade another tarantula. We've got a
Yeah.
couple more to choose from. So maybe the next two are more exciting because they're really aggressive.
And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.